let me say now let's now bring or open the resort, the query results on the data on the Jupyter notebook. So we bring that folder inside here and we want to use it to visualize our data using Matplotlib. So we have the data here, but now we are not going to use this any longer. We are going to use now this one, and then you click on it. You can come here and we click new Python, and it has come. You can just change this name from untitled to data visualization. Matplotlib. Matplotlib. Then control name. So now we can say import pandas SPD and enter. This is that we have been doing. df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV and we get that name from here. This is the name. I think it is not going to be copy pasted. Copy, yeah, and then we come and paste it here. It is not pasted here. Let's just query results.csv. Think it is like that. Let me check. Query result. Yeah, it is like that. Then I can say df dot head just for confirmation. And yes, you can see we have imported this data very successfully.